this Coursera certificate for developing AI applications on Azure. Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. This is the platform of Class Central. The link in the description. You go through it and just tap on go to class. When you go through this link, then you get this course for free. After going through this link, you get a banner coming with Coursera Together that this course is absolutely free till 37th of July. This is 100% online course with self-placed and also advanced level course which makes your certificate of cloud computing more effective as Azure is cloud solution of Microsoft. And here I am going to enroll in this course. Just tap on enroll for free. You get this tab where it is written your promotion will be applied at checkout. And this is the checkout option. Here total 0 rupee is charged for you. There is no need of credit card or debit card. You just continue your learning and tap on developing AI applications on Azure. And here we get our course overview. From this we get that total 14 quizzes are in this course of Azure. So we are going to start. Doesn't hesitate by the number of quizzes. It is very small quizzes also. You need only 15 minutes to complete this course. You just watch 15 minutes this video and after that you surely get your certificate with 100% marks. Okay, then we are going to start and we completed the first question. Now we are on the second question of the first quiz of module 1 and we completed with 100% grade. Now we move to the second one. Firstly, just tap on keep learning. You have to follow the same instructions for the upcoming modules. I explain only the module 1. After that, you have to watch other modules from 2 to 5 and you get all correct. And here is the second quiz of the first module and it is of deep learning. There is only one question and here all answers are correct and just submit this. You get 100% correct. Now we are moving to the main quiz of this week 1 means module 1. And this quiz contains total 10 questions and we are going to start. It is showing that it is for 30 minutes quiz but we take only 3 minutes, less than 3 minutes. And here we are doing quiz 1 and we are on the second question. You can see the question about the machine learning and the correct answer is I think first one, find unknown relationships. Yes, this is the correct answers. And after that there is simple a word given Python and you have to choose the correct for the Python. This course is most important for those who are taking Python. Also important for those who are doing another computer languages because Python is the need of today and also other programming languages are also their specific roles. So as much as you know computing languages and also as you have skill in this, it is going to more beneficial for you. And the time of recruiting, your resume is your showcase. So get beautiful certificates from reputed universities and reputed sites just like Coursera which make your resume impressive one. And this is the completion of our first quiz and we done with 90% grade. Only one answer is wrong in whole the course and this is this answer. Here it is mutable, not immutable. Okay, only one answer is incorrect in whole the course and after that you doesn't need to correct any answer. And here we are going for the start week 2. Week 1 is completed. You can see the grade 100%, 100%, 90% and this is the week 2. Week 2 the first quiz machine learning studio, ML studio. And now only one question is here. We easily completed it and after that there is a result 100% grade. Just tap on keep learning and after that we go back to the week 2. Just tap on week 2 And now we are moved to the next quiz of the week 2. Week 2 contains only 2 quizzes, but second quiz contains total 10 questions. Now I am going to start. Now we have to proceed with the video. You watch the full video and you get all the answers correct. You can do with the video. Questions are in the same sequence, only options are maybe shuffled, so just take care about it. Also, some fill in the blanks type questions are also there. Here 9 is the answer, and after that here there is answer of data preparation. Okay, data preparation you have to enter as I am writing here. Okay, now you can proceed. Stay tuned till the last. this is the last quiz of our course Azure Machine Learning, and after that we are able to get our certificate. I am going back, and after that I get my certificate. You also get notified by email that you completed this course, and also your certificate link comes on your email. Here, congratulations, my certificate is going to generate, and here there is an option of rate the course. Firstly, I rate the course with 5 star. I doesn't go for the survey, and now I'm going to view my certificate. My certificate is opening. You can see here my certificate. This is my certificate, a beautiful certificate from Coursera and LearnQuest. This is a certificate of developing AI applications on Azure. And after that, there are some more details is also here. First, you can see the certificate, and here what you will learn in this course. Here it is mentioned Python programming, Azure machine learning, and after that some information about your grades. And now you can download your certificate. Just tap on click here to download PDF, and this is my handsome certificate from Coursera. That's much for this video. Thanks for watching, friends.